Hello friends, today in this video I am going to talk about the molecular docking. So what is molecular docking? You can see in this picture. It is used in drug discovery. Take year to decade for discovering a new drugs and very costly. Why we need the molecular docking? The reason behind it I am discussing. To cut down the research timeline and cost by reducing wet lab experiment, use computer modeling software, drug interact with their receptor in a highly specific and complementary manner. Core of the target-based, structure-based drug design is lead generation and optimization. So we should understand the pharmacophore, the atom and functional group required for a specific pharmacological activity and their relative position in a space. In silico design, you can see here ligand base, de novo base, receptor base, and combinatorial. This is the receptor structure based approach. Ligand based approach. Combinatorial based approach means automated or semi-automated process of synthesizing large quantities of compound in a small scale. De novo based approach, purely based on molecular modeling, study of binding site, searching large databases to identify the proper ligand. Different terms used in the silico design like receptor, host or log, receiving molecules, protein like large molecules. Ligand, guest, key, molecule bind to receptor, that is the drug. Docking, computational simulation of candidate, preferred orientation of ligand binding site to a receptor. Binding mode, conformation of ligand receptor bound to each other. Pose a candidate binding mode. Scoring, evaluating a particular pose by counting the number of favorable intermolecular interactions. Ranking means classify ligand most likely to interact favorably to particular relation based on del G of binding. Heat means ligand with high rank. Lead means heat with biological activity. Pharmacophore, a special arrangement of atom or group believed to be responsible for the biological activity. Rational drug design, modulations of a specific biological target may have therapeutic value. QSR, a study of physico-chemical properties of a compound with its biological pharmacological activity. Drug design, design of ligand. Now docking. Docking attempts to find the best matching between two molecules. So you can see in this picture, docking is this method which predict the preferred orientation of one molecule to a second when bound to form a stable complex with overall minimum energy. Docking is used to predict both strength and type of signal procedures. The aim of molecular docking is to achieve an optimized conformation and relative orientation between protein ligand versus del G is minimized. It is to study whether the two molecules interact with each other. If so, what is the orientation that maximizes the interaction with minimizing the total energy of the complex. So the goal, given a protein structure and predict its ligand binding. So why this docking is important? It is of extreme relevance in cellular biology. It is a key to rational drug design. So docking approach uses a matching technique, describe the protein and ligand as complementary surface, simulate the actual docking process in which ligand protein pairwise interact, energies are calculated. Now shape complementary. Receptor molecular surface, solvent accessible surface area, ligand molecular surface, matching surface description. What is the advantage? Fast and robust. Disadvantage, can't model and dynamic charge changes in ligand protein conformation accurately. Now simulations. Protein and ligand are separated by a physical distance. Binding takes place only after certain moves, translations, rotational, and internal changes like torsional angle rotation. It is in its conformational space. In every move, total energy of the system is calculated. What is the disadvantage? It takes longer time for evaluation, overcome by using grid-based techniques and fast optimization methods. Now, factor affecting docking: intermolecular forces, bond length, bond angle, dihedral angle. Intermolecular forces: electrostatic, dipolar, hydrogen bonding, hydrophobicity, van der Waals forces. Now, different types of interaction. You know, drug plus receptor give the complex. The Kf forward and backward, you know the from the kinetics. Now, electrostatic energy. You can see the involved integrations of overall electron cloud of the two molecules. Longest range. You can see ion 1 by r, dipole 1 by r cube, ion dipole 1 by r square. This is the electrostatic energy. Electrodynamic forces: attractive forces existing between all pairs of atom, even between rare gas atom, depending on polarizability and number of valence electrons of interacting molecule. Polarization energy involves the interaction of a molecule that is already polar with another polar non-polar molecules, and London or van der Waals forces. Steric forces: each atom within the molecules occupies a certain amount of space. If atoms are too closer, there is an associated loss in energy due to overlapping electron cloud. May affect molecule preferred shape, reactivity, and activation energies of most chemical reactions. Steric effect will determine how and at what rate a drug will interact with its largest biomolecules. So, solvent related force. These are the forces generated due to the chemical reaction between the solvent and protein or ligand, hydrogen bond, hydrophilic interaction, and hydrophobic interaction. Mechanisms of docking. Method to derive 3D structure: X-ray crystallography, protein detect heteronuclear NMR, and homologous modeling. Now you can see the X-ray crystallographic process. Now you can see the protein detected heteronuclear NMR. So, homologous modeling means what? Align amino acid sequence of protein with unknown structural agent. The sequence of homologous protein whose 3D structure has already been determined. By converting a structurally conserved region and a structurally variable region, the core of the molecules can be identified. You can see in this picture. So, search logarithm determine all possible optimal conformation for a given complex, that is the protein ligand or protein. Calculate the energy of resulting complex and of each individual interaction. Conformational search strategies include systematic, stochastic, torsional searches about the rotatable bonds, molecular dynamic simulation, genetic algorithm to evolve new low energy conformations. So, ligand flexibility, receptor flexibility. Now, types of docking, you know, the lock and key, rigid docking, and induced fitting, flexible docking. So, molecular docking, the process by which molecular modeling software fits a molecule into a target binding site, used for finding binding modes of protein with ligand or inhibitors. In a molecular docking attempt to predict the structure of intermolecular complex formed between two or more molecules. So, this is the manual docking process, friend. Flexible docking. Now you can see the docking of flexible ligands, direct dock and dock 4. So, interaction surface consisting interaction point like this. You can see here. Another programs. Now all fragments that are formed contains atom or bond that is shared with the another fragments. You can see if this molecules, if shared bond is fragment, and if you have this molecule, then their shared atom is like this. That is the fragmentation of the ligand. You can see in this strategy the merging fragment with shared data. So docking of flexible ligand by simulated annealing and genetic algorithm. So docking program using Monte Carlo algorithm for docking, AutoDock, MacDock, ProDock and ProLead. What is the disadvantage of this technique? The quality of the result is often depends on how the initial structure placed in the binding site. This can be overcome by using combination of programs like Monte Carlo based program. So working methodology of Schrödinger से भी आप कर सकते हैं. Now application like you have to find out the hit identification, lead optimization, bioremediation and virtual screening of large data bases. This is the references, my friends, and thank you. So if you like this type of video, then subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.